Welcome to Italy 101, your YIGO Italy cultural guide.
Italian cuisine is a major part of the Italian culture. Italy is known all over the world for its collection of flavors, tastes, creations, and traditions. Today we are having lunch, or pranzo, at one of our local favorite restaurants. Italians usually serve lunch around 12:30 p.m., and dinner takes place around 8 p.m. Setting up a reservation before you arrive is recommended because you are encouraged to take your time dining with friends and family. When you are seated, you will be asked what you would like to drink. If you choose to get water or acqua, you will have the choice between natural or sparkling water. You can respond with acqua naturale or acqua frizzante, meaning without gas or with gas. Today we ordered a white wine, typically drank with fish or salad and other assortments of meats and cheeses. At most restaurants, wine can be enjoyed by the glass, by the bottle, or in an unlabeled carafe, which typically holds a quarter or a half liter of wine. Vino della casa, house wine, can be ordered as well. Mainly, this wine is produced locally and is less expensive than labeled wine. This can be a great way to try some of the local wines. Next is primo, or first plate. Contains a selection of pasta, soups, and risotto dishes. Following is the secondo, or second course, usually meat or fish accompanied by contorno, or side dish, which typically consists of seasonal vegetables, beans, potatoes, or cooked leafy greens. And finally, last but not least, dolce, sweets, or dessert. Often enough, Italians order a cafe after their meal. Most important, if you are ordering a cafe after a meal, remember a cappuccino is not typically served after 11 a.m. When you are served, the host will usually start the meal by saying buon appetito, or enjoy. After you are finished, don't forget to ask for the check by simply saying il conto per favore, which means the check please. Takeaway is not typically an option here in Italy, and sometimes is frowned upon. You may tip the waiter if you appreciated the service, but it is usually not required because there is about a 10 to 15% service charge that will be added to the bill. Salute, friends, to another beautiful, relaxing day in Italy, and thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for watching Italy 101, your YIGO Italy cultural guide. If you want to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to our YIGO Italy YouTube channel. If you know someone who could benefit from this video, be sure to send it their way. Ciao for now!